Hi, this is Emily Hamlin-Deloach, Health Academy Counselor at Garden City High School. This is a how-to video to help you access your electronic tickets for the Garden City High School graduation ceremony occurring at 1 p.m. on Sunday, May 14th. Students will want to go to their off-campus email address that they provided to me. Again, Emily Hamlin-Deloach. It was provided to me at ehamlin@gckschools.com. In this simulation, I'm using one of my off-campus Gmail addresses. That is what we collected from students, either an iCloud, a Gmail, a Yahoo, something that is not tied directly to Garden City High School. So students will go to that email address that they provided. It will come from Hamlin-Deloach Emily. When you hover over it, you will see that it's that ehamlin@gckschools.com address. Please click on it. It will say follow attached directions for graduation tickets. The other thing that will be in there will be the student's name and then the passcode that is going to be used to gain access to the tickets. These are unique one-time only codes, so please make sure that you understand the steps before you enter them in here. Down at the bottom of a Gmail are the tickets directions, so I'm going to click on that. So we have a step-by-step guide here on how to access these tickets. So the first step is, after receiving the email, is to go to www.gcbuffs.com. And while that's loading, we are looking up here at the top next to donate where it says tickets. Please click on tickets. We are looking for the graduation. Okay. Now you're not actually buying tickets. I know that it says that. You will be provided up to 6 tickets for each graduate. Okay. So we click on buy tickets. Again, the max for each student is 6. If you need additional tickets, you will have to ask another classmate for any ticket that they are not using. Okay. Once we get here, we're going to scroll down here to have a passcode. You're going to click there. Okay, now remember, this is that one-time use only passcode, so please make sure you feel comfortable before you get here, okay? This is where we're at. We're on step 7. I'm going to go back and I'm going to pick up the unique to me course code, access code, passcode. I'm going to paste that in there and I'm going to hit apply. Okay. From here, I'm going to move over here to quantity. The most you can pick is 6. You cannot do more than 6. Now, if you only know that you need 3, 2, 1, that's okay. But again, the max is 6 and you get one chance at this. Okay. So make sure that you pick the quantity that you are comfortable with. You're either doing the max because you're using all 6, or you're doing the max because you're giving away your tickets. But make sure this is the one time only. You will not get another passcode. So make sure you put the quantity here that you feel comfortable with. Okay. We're going to hit check out. Again, this is what the students are doing. Students, you need to put in the information that you provided to me. So in this simulation, I'm using my off-campus as the example. Okay. So don't get confused. I'm pretending to be a student in this scenario, okay? And I'm providing back the same information that was given, okay? I'm using my office phone number here, just as I'm not going to be giving out my personal cell number in this example, but you need to use the same cell number that you provided in all of the survey responses, so please make sure you do that. Put in your applicable zip code. We're putting in birthdays. Make sure to hit that you acknowledge and feel good about this. 6 items. Those are all of the tickets that I need in this simulation. And I'm going to submit order. Okay. Now here's where you're going to decide which formats work the best for you and each of your guests. Each of these tickets are going to have a QR code attached to them. That is the item that will be scanned at the point upon entering in. Okay, I'm going to toggle between this just for a second to show you what's happening. When I go back to the inbox, Garden City box office is there with my tickets. Okay, so they're in my email as a PDF. Okay, I have 6 pages here, 6 QR codes. Those are my tickets. Okay, but if I still go back here, there's a download ticket option. There is also this Hometown Fan app. I did find this to be very advantageous. If you download the Hometown Fan app and you have your guest download that too, you can send their tickets to them that way digitally. We also at the high school can help you print these tickets. Also, what could happen is from this screen here, you can simply screenshot the QR code in a picture and send to your 6 people. Just remember that there are 6 individual QR codes. These numbers here are unique to that QR code. Even if you made 20 copies of this particular QR code, the first one scanned is what will go in, and then everything else will be null and void. So these are unique codes, even like this one right here. It cannot be used again. Okay, so you want to make sure that you devise the way that you wish to get these accessible to your guest. In the directions, we provide that in step 14. Prepping your tickets for guests to use. Here are the options. It's all about that QR code. You can print your tickets. You can screenshot. You can download the Hometown Fan app, or a combination of 2 or all 3 of those. Just make sure that your guests have the particular ticket, and it's for 6 tickets, 6 individuals. So if you're bringing your mom and dad, that's 2 tickets right there. Okay, if you have any questions or concerns with how to access your tickets, please contact me in the Trade and Health office, or the other counselors and principals. We're more than welcome and happy to try and help you. We do need to have all of it solved by the end of graduation practice on Friday, because no one will be able to help you after 3 o'clock on Friday. So I'm going to start sending these out starting tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday, the 8th. I will have all of the emails sent by Wednesday. So we have a couple days here to get it all sorted out. So again, the magic part of this is to get to the PDF version and then decide how you'd like to do that. Print tickets, use the download the Hometown Fan app, or take screenshot pictures of this. Okay, again, come see us at the high school with any questions. Okay, this again is Emily Hamlin Deloach. That's the emails that you're going to be looking for. It's going to come across with my name here, and again, it's going to come from ehamlin@gckschools.com to the email you provided me. If you have an iCloud account, please make sure that you are checking your inbox and getting enough storage. And same thing, if you with Gmail, Yahoo, any of it, make sure I'm not going to spam or to junk. Okay? Thank you very much, guys and gals. We're super excited. We hope you enjoy your last week of high school. Keep us posted with any questions. Thank you.